Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Protein quality control collapse may explain why cancer immunotherapy fails. Chronic TCR stimulation disrupts proteostasis during T-cell exhaustion. Lack of association between aggregation tendency of proteins and their functional pathways. Credit, Nature, 2025. DOI, 10.1038/S415860250. 09539, 1 Break. Scientists from the Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center, Arthur G. James Cancer Hospital and Richard J. Soliv Research Institute, USC James, report key findings about the underlying mechanisms of immune system stress response to protein misfolding, launching a new approach to cancer immunotherapy treatment targeting the protein production cycle. Break. The work is published in the journal Nature. Break. For this study, USC James researchers sought to answer a long-held question: why do T cells, which are crucial for fighting infections and recognizing cancer, sometimes become exhausted and lose their effectiveness? Break. In this comprehensive preclinical study, researchers revealed a hidden vulnerability in exhausted T cells. They are overwhelmed by misfolded proteins that ignite a previously unrecognized stress pathway, now named TXPSR, proteotoxic stress response in T-cell exhaustion. Break. Unlike ordinary stress responses that slow protein production to help cells regain balance, TXPSR drives protein synthesis into overdrive. The result is a relentless buildup of misfolded proteins, stress granules, and toxic aggregates similar to the amyloid plaques seen in Alzheimer's disease. This overload poisons the T cells, crippling their ability to attack tumors. Break. Nature Reviews Immunology described this phenomenon as a proteotoxic shock. Strikingly, when researchers blocked key drivers of TXPSR in preclinical models, exhausted T cells recovered their function and cancer immunotherapy became markedly more effective. Break. T cell exhaustion is the biggest roadblock to cancer immunotherapy. Our study results present a surprising and exciting answer to this fundamental problem and could be critical to improving future scientific advances in the field of engineered cancer drug therapies to harness the immune system, said Zahaili, MD, PhD, senior study author and founding director of the Pelotonia Institute for Immuno-Oncology, PIIO, at the USC James. Break. Lee, who also serves as Deputy Director for Translational Research at the USC James and holds the Klotz Memorial Chair in Cancer Research, has studied the link between protein folding and immunity for over 3 decades. He emphasized, researchers worldwide are tackling T-cell exhaustion through studying genetics, epigenetics, metabolism and others, but the role of protein quality control has been largely overlooked until now. Break. The Ohio State Cancer Research Team also found that high levels of TXPSR in T cells from cancer patients were linked to poor clinical responses to immunotherapy. This suggests that targeting TXPSR could be a new way to enhance cancer treatment in the clinics. Break. When T cells become exhausted, they continue creating molecular weapons but then destroy the weapons before they can do their job, said Yi Wang, first author and doctoral student in Lee's laboratory. Break. The team's findings reveal that this self-perpetuating cycle of protein stress is a central driver of T-cell exhaustion, ultimately disabling the function of these immune cells. Notably, the mechanism was validated in multiple preclinical and clinical cancer models including lung, bladder, liver cancer, and leukemia, highlighting its broad relevance across diverse cancer types. Break. More information, Yi Wang et al., Proteotoxic Stress Response Drives T-Cell Exhaustion and Immune Evasion, Nature, 2025. DOI, 10.1038/S415860250. 09539, 1. Provided by Ohio State University Medical Center. Break. Citation: Protein quality control collapse may explain why cancer immunotherapy fails. 2025, October 1, Retrieved the 1st of October 2025 from https://medicalexpress.com/news/2025 10 protein quality collapse cancer immunotherapy.html. Break. This document is subject to copyright. Apart from any fair dealing for the purpose of private study or research, no part may be reproduced without the written permission. The content is provided for information purposes only. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.